Today we are on the tire profile 215, 55, R17. Let's start from the 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour, and as you can see, average noise is between 66, 68 decibels, and this is quite high. So on the graph you can see is actually the worst result I had so far. The next step is 100 kilometers per hour, which is 62 miles per hour. The average noise is approximately 68 decibels, and I could already feel the noise coming from the mirrors and from the back of the vehicle. Next test is 110 kilometers per hour, and for this test I have 69 decibels score. And going to the next graph, you can see that this result is the same as BMW X2 25e plug-in hybrid